Hey guys, welcome to my place. What I'm doing here is taking a little, see, this is kind of cool. That's my car. This is my street. It's kind of cool. My cousin lives next door to me and my dad lives 2 houses down. This is where I grew up. I actually grew up in that house 2 houses down from here. So you see deer at night going all through here. People actually feed them. Don't say anything. It's not quite legal, I don't think. But what I'm doing is I'm showing you, I'm a little out of breath, so pardon me. I've been sweeping and cleaning and moving stuff. I'm getting this back area. See, this is my house right here. I don't have a basement. I have something better. I have this out back. It's only that part right there is the only part that's a garage. The rest of it I'll show you. It's kind of like just a man cave type deal. I'm catching rainwater for some reason. I don't even know why I got that there. I got to empty it out and recycle it. But yeah. Oh, there's my dad. There's Dad. You're being videoed. Say hi. I'm making a little video for my YouTube channel.
For your what?
My YouTube channel.
YouTube?
Yeah.
YouTube? Boy, that Thomas, he quit.
Okay, we're back at it. I had to talk to Dad for a minute. But yeah, check this out. This is it. And I got me a few games. I don't have many games myself. And I got a little lounging area here. I can put a TV up there with my paraphernalia up there. But yeah, to get to stuff. But I'm moving out here because my son came up to stay with me from Texas, and I just have a 2-bedroom house. And I was using one of the bedrooms as my work room. So he's been sleeping on the couch. So I'm going to move everything out here. And I need to put I'm going to get an 18,000 BTU window unit for right there. And my friend Todd, you've met Todd on the channel. He's a furnace guy. He is a heating and cooling guy. And that is where a furnace goes. It goes on the other side. And it blows out through there, but that furnace is junk. So Todd is going to put me in a furnace before winter so that I can stay out here and it'll be warm, you know. So I'll have a furnace and AC unit that I'll use to dehumidify and everything. I'll probably get another dehumidifier to put out here. But yeah, this centipede has nothing going on, no monitor, nothing in it. Millipede is complete, just needs to be gone through. It's dirty as all get out. This is a cabinet that I got from Todd that I'm thinking about converting into a Berserk. That guy right there. It's empty. It's an empty cabinet. Someone converted a Space Invaders to a Star Trek, which is weird but kind of cool at the same time. And then I got a deluxe Space Invaders. And then inside I've got my 3 tabletop games. I've got a Asteroids, Pac-Man, and a Donkey Kong, which eventually those guys will come in here and line the sides. So yeah. Pretty sweet little fridge. That fridge it works. And when I'm out here more working, that thing will be turned on and I'll have drinks and whatnot out here. Oh yeah. That is an ashtray. So you can tell somebody used this for partying. Whoever lived here before me. I do not smoke. So. And I used to chew tobacco. You guys probably knew that because a lot of my videos I was chewing in. I quit that January 9th, cold turkey. I'm very proud of myself for that. But yeah, this is going to be the work area slash where I'm going to be hanging out, the lab, if you will. But as for now, I'm still in the house. I'm still in the second bedroom. But like I said, I got to get out of there. So cool. I just thought this would be a neat little video. All right, guys.